Tactical Data Desk, integrity, service, and excellence.
Good morning, YouTube. This is Jason with the Tactical Data Desk, bringing you your pre-market analysis for Tuesday, 31 March 2026. It's 9:12 a.m. We are pre-market. Here I am. I've got the NinjaTrader Gex, Vex, and Vana Magnet HUD up on my NinjaTrader 8 showing ES. Now remember, since we're pre-market, SPX options haven't hit all the tape yet. I do have the options tape hitting. There are some activity, but we haven't updated yet. So use these levels with caution. If you want to see the live stream, you can join me right at about 9:30 Eastern hitting the live tape on this. I showed this in NQ throughout the day, as well as the Tactical Data Desk Gex dashboard, all for free. No need to pay anyone a subscription to get this data. I provide it for free. If you like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm a 25-year Air Force veteran. I believe in integrity, service, and excellence, and I'm just here to help the trading community because I've had so much help throughout my career. All right, let's look at ES. Your 0 DTE call wall is 64.67 and 0 gamma line 64.11. If we zoom out a little bit, ES opened down at 6 p.m., went down, popped back up, and we are up 70 points as of right now. You look at the volume profile, we are sitting above the point of control, just below value area high and far above value area low. You can see this is where a preponderance of all the volume is, and we are thin below the point of control, right around 64.40. So I would tell you that's a key level today, 64.40 at the market open. All right, let's get into Think or Swim. All right, here we go. NVDA. I've got your 0 DTE call walls and put walls, as well as your Vana Magnets up on the 1 hour chart showing about 5 days. Your put walls at 165, your call wall is at 170. We are positive Gex right now, and your Vana Magnet is at 170. Take a look at Apple. Your call walls at 250, put walls at 240, Vana Magnets at 240. We're at 247 on the bid pre-market. Right. Move myself out of this for you. Tesla, I know everyone loves to trade Tesla. Closed at 355, trading at 360 on the bid. We've got put wall at 342, which is well below. Call wall at 365, Vana Magnet at 365, so 5 points away. Here we are pre-market. Amazon, call wall at 202, put wall at 195, Vana Magnets at 207. We're at 204 on the bid pre-market. Meta, if you like trading Meta, we're up 10 points today. I don't know if I'd trust any swing highs on Meta. It's been getting crushed lately. It's on my AI momentum scanner as a play to the downside. Even though we'll have a day or two here up, when that thing goes down, it's getting down. There's a big news article. I guess they lost a court case, something about social media. I don't follow news too much because honestly, the news doesn't drive stock prices. The options market and what market makers have to do drive stock prices. And the sooner everyone comes to terms with that, the sooner we can all make more money. But your Vana Magnet's at 522, your 0 DTE put wall is at 522. Your call wall is up at 550. So pre-market, 547 on the bid. We're 3 points away from that call wall. So if we touch that, expect some selling away from that. The Qs, 564 on the bid. Call wall 561, Vana Magnet 560, put wall 560. We'll update that after market opens. Those will shift. For QQQ and SPY, because they're so liquid, these do shift right when market opens. I won't even tell you what they are. AVGO, we are call wall 302, 298.58 on the bid. Put wall 290. Vana Magnet is sharing the put wall at 290. Netflix 92.95 on the bid. Call wall 95, put wall 92, Vana Magnet 95. Palantir, which has been getting somewhat hammered lately, is up $2 pre-market. We've got call wall at 145, put wall at 136, and Vana Magnet at 145 as well. GLD is up. Let's do some public math. That looks like $7. Gold futures are up 57, so that makes sense. We've got call wall at 417, Vana Magnet 416, put wall at 416. I'm guessing the options haven't hit the tape yet for what's happened overnight, so that'll change. That's a pretty liquid ticker as well. Check out SPX. This will update after market opens as well. This captures everything that happened after close and then the activity from when the options market opened for those that can trade options pre-market. Vana Magnet 67.35. We've got ES trading at 64.59. So the spot price delta yesterday between ES and SPX was 42. So if we take 42 from 64.59, now I work in financial management for a living, but I cannot do that math in public. So I'm using my calculator. 64.17 would be the expected open for SPX. If that holds true right now, it's 917. So above the Vana Magnet, above the call wall, but we'll see what happens when that opens pre-market. And then, or when we open at market open at 930. Then NDX, all right. Should we go through and look at what the OPEX walls are? So we'll hide that, turn on OPEX. Here we are in NDX. 24,100 is your call wall and Vana Magnet. 21,500. This is your OPEX, your April expiration. You like to swing trade, see where the big players are. Negative 12 million at 6,300. Not much positive gamma at 6,800 on SPX. Your Vana Magnet's down at 6,000. Oh gosh, they're expecting more downside. We'll go back to the top with NVIDIA. Vana Magnet 180. Put wall at 160 at negative 17 million. Your call wall's at 185 at less than half that at 7.7 million. And Apple, put wall 245 at negative 10 million. Call wall 280 at positive 3.6 million. So a third of that. And then your Vana Magnet's 260 at 9 million. Tesla, we got a put wall at 350. Negative 4 million, call wall at 400, 1.4 million, Vana Magnet at 400, 5.3 million. Amazon, call wall at 220, 6.3 million. Oh, sorry, 215, 6.3 million. And put wall at 195, negative 6.7 million. So expect some sideways action in Amazon. So good for an iron condor. Not a trade recommendation. Meta, call wall 600 at 0.6 million, so tiny. Vana Magnet at 580, 4.2 million, and put wall at 520, 1.8 million. And the Qs, pretty reliable on the OPEX. Vana Magnets at 600, call walls at 592, put walls at 570. So put wall is above the spot price. SPY, put wall 630, 9 points below. We're at 639 on the bid. Call wall at 685, but look at the difference in the call wall. 5.7 million, put wall negative 80 million. Vana Magnet down at 585 at 55 million. That's a pretty big discrepancy. IWM, call wall 270, 4.4 million. Put wall at 240, which is 3 points below where we are on the bid at pre-market. Negative 46 million. And your Vana Magnet's at 230 at negative 12 million, essentially. AVGO, we are at 360 at 0.7 million and 290 on the put wall at negative 2.9 million. And we'll check Palantir. Call wall at 150, 4.7 million, along with the Vana Magnet. And then your put wall is 130 with a lesser value of 3.8 million. So pretty interesting. See what's going on with crude, the USO, the ETF for it. Trading at 128, well above the call wall. Put wall is a third of the call wall at 110. Your magnet's down at 100. Crazy. And gold, the call wall is at 495 at 12.8 million. I'm sorry, 495 at 7 million. Your Vana Magnet's at 495 as well. And your put wall is all the way down at 380 at 7.5 million. Could be an opportunity for iron condor there as well. Not a trade recommendation. But man, a lot of excellent activity happening all over the place. Here we are back in NinjaTrader. We are a few minutes to the open. Check NQ. A lot of activity. Here we are with the volume profile. Point of control is at 23,380. We're above that, just below value area high, value area low. Pretty thin trading above where we are right now at 23,395. So if we pop above that, your next biggest volume node is all the way up at 23,500. I'm not telling you we'll go there. And then looks like right here at the, I've got the 100, 200. Got a call wall here at 23,249. All right, we're going to have an excellent day trading. I'm going to tell you to be on the lookout. Yes, we are up. I don't know what volumes are. I don't think it's heavy volume, but ES is up 73, NQ's up 262 pre-market, the Dow's up 500 pre-market. Oil's at 0.17 up, gold's up 59, silver's up 2.6. It's going to be a crazy day. I wouldn't take any trades till after 10 o'clock. Anyway, this is Jason with the Tactical Data Desk bringing you the free gamma exposure. I will have this live stream up right at 9:30. So if you like to trade using gamma, VEX, and Vana with the market makers, knowing where price is going to go, then join me for my live stream. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button so I can help the trading community. And as always, integrity, excellence, and service. Love you guys. See you soon.